we're going to be installing a Yak-Power Power Kit on this Blackfin 120P. Let's get into it. So we're going to be installing two power ports. This customer wanted to run a fish finder and then have another port to maybe charge devices. So the first thing you want to do is consider where you want to put the power ports. Make sure that you're putting in a spot where there's no obstructions behind the power port, because obviously you do need to drill in and then run the wires. But also make sure that your feet, legs, seat, and none of that stuff is going to get in the way of the wires that are coming out of the plugs. So to drill the hole, you do need an 18mm drill bit, and then that power port fits right in there and it attaches with 2 screws to the hull. And of course, make sure when you're drilling into the kayak, make sure your torque setting is on, just so that you don't over tighten or strip these screws out. And the great thing about this kayak is there's a ton of space both on top of the deck but also inside the hull, and then the front hatch is completely open to the inside, so it makes running these wires super easy. And what we're doing here, this is the 5-circuit wireless controller. We're just using a couple of zip tie hooks and some zip ties, as you can see, my big head in the way. This just helps keep the wireless controller up out of the way on the side of the hull. Make sure if any water does get in, it stays out of the water, although it is water resistant. We'll make the connections. The right power port is going to go into the number 2 plug, and then the left one is going to go into the circuit number 1. And then we'll zip tie those wires up out of the way as well, just to make sure nothing jiggles or moves around while you're out on the water. And then the Blackfin comes with this bucket for the front hatch. So what we're actually going to do is run a power port from the bucket to the wireless controller, so that way there's no exposed wires. You take the battery box, plug it into that power port that's in the bucket. Super clean install, no exposed wires. That's how you rig a Hoodoo. Let us know what you guys think.